Good day boys and girls, myself Manoj, you watching Learn for Fun. This is the 5th video tutorial of Explaindio, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can use the Morph animation in Explaindio 3.0. For Morph animation we first need an image or text, so I am using an image. So how you can add an image in your canvas? Using this add bitmap image. Add image from location storage. Okay, so I'm using this image. So uncheck this button, uncheck this little box in here and click add. So guys, I hope you all know her. Her name is Priya Prakash Varid, or you can say Priya Prakash Viral, because this girl goes viral within one day, and we all know her. Okay, so use a effect for her. So I'm using her image for our morph animation. So add new effect, goes add new effect and animation present. So I'm using bounce and out animation for I'm using fade out. Okay, let's take a preview. Nice. So add another image. Open. Click add. So let's make this timeline little bigger. Add a morph animation and also add for a out animation. So first image will come first, and then the first image morph into this second image. So drag this bar through the timeline and placed in here. So after 5 seconds this first image will morph into a second image. So I'm using, close our canvas, come to this morph animation and click this morph color. I'm using black. Okay, and come to this fade out. I'm using some frame between the morph animation and fade out animation. So I'm using 40 frame. So let's take a preview. Here goes our first image and it's morph into a second image. Nice and awesome. That's it for guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn for Fun and share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching guys.